If your Messenger floating video call or picture-in-picture is not working on iPhone, here's how to fix it. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 14 or later, because this feature depends on picture-in-picture mode. Now, go to Settings, then open General, and tap on Picture-in-Picture. Make sure Start Pip Automatically is turned on. This allows apps like Messenger to use the floating video call feature. If it's already enabled and still not working, go to the App Store, search for Messenger, and check for updates. And update it to the latest version. Still facing the issue? Then restart your iPhone. Just go to Settings, General, /Shutdown, and turn your device back on. This refresh usually fixes temporary bugs, causing Messenger video call minimize not working. And yeah, that's how you fix Messenger floating video call on iPhone quickly and easily.